Welcome back to Top 5 Tier. Have you ever seen an animal so strange that it made you question whether it was even real? Nature is filled with incredible creatures, but some are so bizarre, so unbelievable, that they look like they escaped from a science fiction movie. From transparent frogs to microscopic creatures that can survive the harshness of outer space, these animals push the limits of what we think is possible. Get ready, because these are the top 5 animals that shouldn't exist. Number 5. Glass frog. Imagine looking at an animal and being able to see its heart beating. That's exactly what makes the glass frog one of the strangest creatures on Earth. Found in the lush rainforests of Central and South America, these tiny amphibians have translucent skin on their undersides, making many of their internal organs visible. Their incredible transparency helps them blend perfectly into leaves, making them nearly invisible to predators. At first glance, they look more like living glass than an actual frog. It's one of nature's most incredible examples of camouflage, and one of the weirdest animals you'll ever see. Number 4. Star-nosed mole. If aliens designed a mammal, it might look something like this. The star-nosed mole is famous for its bizarre nose, which is covered in 22 fleshy tentacles packed with over 100,000 nerve fibers. These specialized organs allow it to detect prey with astonishing speed. Living in dark underground tunnels and muddy wetlands, this unusual hunter can identify and eat food in less than a quarter of a second. Scientists consider its nose one of the most sensitive touch organs in the entire animal kingdom. It may look strange, but it's actually one of the most efficient predators on Earth. Number 3. Shoebill. The shoebill doesn't look like a bird. It looks like a dinosaur that somehow survived extinction. Standing nearly 5 feet tall and armed with a massive shoe-shaped beak, this intimidating predator patrols the swamps of East Africa. Shoebills can remain perfectly still for long periods before exploding into action with lightning-fast strikes. Their prey includes fish, snakes, and even young crocodiles. But perhaps the most unsettling thing about them is their stare. Many people who encounter a shoebill describe its gaze as eerie, almost as if it's studying you. It's one of the most prehistoric-looking creatures alive today. Number 2. Axolotl. The axolotl seems to ignore the normal rules of biology. Unlike most amphibians, it never completes its transformation into adulthood. Instead, it remains in its juvenile aquatic form for its entire life. But that's only the beginning. This remarkable creature can regenerate lost limbs, repair damaged organs, regrow sections of its spinal cord, and even restore parts of its brain. Scientists around the world are studying the axolotl in hopes of unlocking secrets that could one day revolutionize human medicine. For an animal that looks like a smiling cartoon character, its abilities are nothing short of extraordinary. Number 1. Tardigrade. If there were a champion of survival on Earth, it would be the tardigrade. Also known as the water bear, this microscopic creature is smaller than a grain of sand, but tougher than almost anything else in existence. Tardigrades can survive temperatures near absolute zero, intense heat, crushing ocean pressures, deadly radiation, and even the vacuum of outer space. When conditions become too extreme, they enter a state called cryptobiosis, essentially shutting down their bodies until the environment becomes safe again. Some have remained dormant for decades before returning to life. For a creature invisible to the naked eye, the tardigrade possesses superpowers that seem impossible. And that's why it takes the number 1 spot on our list. From transparent frogs and alien-faced moles, to prehistoric birds and microscopic survivors capable of enduring outer space, these animals prove that nature's imagination is far greater than our own. Sometimes the strangest things on Earth aren't found in science fiction. They're living all around us. Which animal shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this countdown, be sure to like the video, subscribe to Top 5 Tier, and turn on notifications so you never miss another countdown exploring the most incredible things our world has to offer. Thanks for watching Top 5 Tier, and we'll see you in the next countdown.